YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a how to find your crown. Right here, you're gonna see, it's gonna be right on this side. One of my subscribers asked me how to find your crown. Also, we're gonna get into how to better our connection. So in this video, I'm going over how to find your crown. Also going over how to better your connections. All right, gang, let me go ahead and unwrap for y'all so y'all can see how the wave's looking. So the first thing you want to do is, when you're trying to find your crown, we're going to go ahead and start with our comb. So what we're doing is we're going to comb our hair out, right? So I told you guys, this is a crown, how to find your crown and better your connections, right? So the first thing you want to do is, if you want to better your connections, you want to go ahead and comb your hair out. Comb your crown out. Let's go. Remember, when you're combing your crown, you want to go in a direction where your waves are growing, right? So take your time on this. Take your time, right? So you want to go into that direction. Also, shout out to that subscriber who recommended this video, right? You know, I'm going to go ahead and give him a bonus, right? Next, what you want to do is, after you comb your hair, you want to go in the opposite direction. Now, this is also going to help your crown, your connections. So let's get it, right? So you want to comb upwards, right? Comb upwards, take your time. Your waves are already locked in. This should be a very, very easy method for you. Very, very easy method. So just stay tuned with me. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up for you guys, and then after I show you all what you need to do after this, we're gonna get into how to find your crown. So just stay with me. All right, gang, y'all see that I already combed it out, right? Hold on, let me show you. Now, my subscriber who said how to find your crown. Peep this real quick, bro. Let me help you out with it, gang. So you see where your crown is, right? Let me come out for you real quick. You see where my crown is? You see that circle area, right? So what you want to do is, this is a very, very important method. You want to just go where the hair was growing, right? So you just want to go right down. Alright, so just comb right down. Alright, very simple, man. Very easy, very smooth. Alright, and you just want to come right there. Where is that? So wherever you see that circle, you just want to comb it right back down. And also for my boys or the gang or the squad who's trying to better their connection, this is also good because after you brush upward, right, and you come straight down, your connections is going to be great. Why? Because comb your hair out, right, it loosens up the curls, right? So once you find your crown, right, let's get back on the crown. Once you find your crown, now you can just brush everything right back down. Super smooth, super simple. All right, stay with me, guys, stay with me. If you're liking the video, though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the game, man. High energy, let's get it. Alright, so we're just combing it down. All right, gang, so what you want to get next is you want to get your pomade, our shea butter to our crown, right? Let's get into it. After you already found your crown, right? This shea butter, right? It's just going to help lay the crown down very perfect, very nice. All the way around. Next, get right here. Next, after you add your pomade to your hair, gang, hit that like button. Let's get it. I'm dropping gems for you, boy. All around our hair, right? Oh, just dropped that one. Oh, my bad. We're just not gonna worry about that. Hands, and just put it in there. You know what I mean? Just go hard. All right. You wanna apply it on those spots. It's really some real work, right? Apply it on there. 2. Gotta make sure your hair have oil after you do these methods. This is how you get really good waves and better your connections. So again, this was a 2-part video, right? I'm showing you how to find your crown, right? And how to better your connections as well. So gang, now we're gonna work on the crown. Let's get it. So once you add your pomade to your crown, right? You wanna go ahead and, if you got your brush, go ahead and use your brush. I like using my toothbrush because it really just works on that crown, right? So I'm just using my toothbrush right now. Using my toothbrush. No, I do not use this toothbrush to brush my teeth. I know how them boys be. I know how they be. Alright gang, after you done worked on your crown, go ahead and get your hard brush. Let's get working with the hard brush, right? So we're gonna go straight down. You can follow me. I'm gonna be calling out my angles, right? First angle, right here. Second angle, right here. Let's go. Alright. You wanna make sure you be careful, hit them angles properly so you have some good connection. Right? Next angle right here. Using a hard brush also, fellas, is really gonna work on your connections. You should be hard brushing at least 3 to 4 times a week. Next angle right here on top. Let's go. And again, the reason why we added our oils before we started, because we want to brush the oil in. We want to brush the pomade in. So that's why I added everything. All right, next angle right down here. Next angle, we come up, next angle right up here. Right down here. All right, gang, we about to use our last brush. Let's go. I gave y'all a whole video, man, going crazy. Really, a lot of the other stuff I'm showing y'all now is really a bonus. Again, what we went over is the crown, and we went over connections. Again, when you comb your hair out, it works on your connections. When you comb your hair up, as we did, right? You want to make sure when you're trying to find your crown, right? Make sure you comb your hairs down on the outside, work towards the middle, right? It's very simple, very easy. So now what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna go ahead and get this session in. Let's go. All right, gang, let's put on the do-rag. Let's get it, let's get it. Also, don't put this part in your mouth. Let's go, man. Don't do that nasty stuff. Let's get it. All right, gang, that's the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and join the team. Again, this video is for working on your crown and bettering your connections. All right, gang, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.